Hello and welcome back. This is Safa. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to enhance images by adjusting brightnesses and contrast in MATLAB. Image enhancement means improving the visual quality of an image. Two of the most common ways are changing brightnesses and adjusting contrast, which make details more visible. Brightnesses simply means adding or subtracting a constant value to all pixels. This makes the whole image lighter or darker. Contrast changes the difference between dark and light region in the MATLAB. In MATLAB, we can use imadjust for simple contrast adjustment or histeq for histogram equalization. Okay, let's go to MATLAB. First, I converted the paper image to grayscale for simplicity. And then by adding 50 to the pixel values, the image becomes brighter. By subtracting 50, it becomes darker. Okay. Next, I use imadjust to stretch the contrast between 0.3 and 0.7 of the intensity range. And finally, I applied histogram equalization with histeq, which automatically redistributes the pixel intensities to improve contrast. Okay, run. Okay, original image. Brighter image. Darker image. Contrast adjusted image. And histogram equalized image, as you can see. Okay, always remember, brightnesses change the overall lightnesses or darknesses, while contrast enhances the difference between pixel and intensities. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Stay with me in this series because step by step we are going to build a strong foundation in image processing in MATLAB.